If you're already in the US and dreaming of getting a green card, you might not have to leave the country. You can get it right here. The process is called adjustment of status. Sounds easy, right? Well, sometimes it is, but there's a lot hiding beneath the surface. So let's break it down together. Hi, I'm Shariq, I'm the South Asian attorney. I'm licensed to practice law in the US, and I help people worldwide with American immigration law. So what exactly is adjustment of status, or AOS for short? Well, it's a way of getting the green card without leaving the US. You don't have to go back to your home country or deal with the US embassy abroad. Everything gets handled here in the US through the USCIS. All right, so not everyone can use this process. You have to meet a few key requirements. For example, you must already be in the US and you need to have entered the US legally. So let's say that you're married to a US citizen. That's one of the most common situations where AOS is used. And these are the steps involved. File Form I-130 and I-485. So if you're applying through family, your US citizen spouse will file Form I-130 and you'll file Form I-485 to adjust your status. These forms can be filed together. This is called concurrent filing. All right, step 2, submit the supporting documents. You'll need things like your passport, of course, birth certificate, proof of relationship, financial documents, and if you're married, definitely marriage evidence. Attend the biometrics appointment. Here, you're gonna get fingerprinted and photographed, so they can run checks on you. So basically, the interview with the USCIS is your chance to tell your story and show that your relationship is real. If you're applying through marriage, USCIS may ask questions about how you met, your daily life, or anything else that can help them determine that your relationship is real. If everything checks out, you'll get your green card right here in the mail. No consulate, no travel, no long wait abroad. So why do people prefer AOS? Well, for one, you don't have to leave the country. You can get your work permit and travel permit while waiting. In some cases, it's faster, especially if you qualify for concurrent filing. And finally, it gives you more control because you're right here and USCIS handles everything inside the US. But you do have to be careful about certain things. If you overstayed your visa or entered without inspection, AOS might not be available for you, unless you're married to a US citizen. Also, you can't travel outside the US while your case is pending. Well, unless you get advance parole. And finally, mistakes in your application can lead to delays or even denial. So be very careful. All right, that's a quick breakdown of the AOS process. If you're already in the US and eligible, this could be the smoothest path to your green card. Thanks for watching. I'm Shariq Khan, and I'll see you in the next video.